KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, just another lovely day across Acadiana. Unfortunately, we'll probably see less sun and more clouds over the next couple of days, but tomorrow's not going to be a bad day. Cloud cover begins to thicken up Wednesday ahead of a storm system that likely brings rain, strong storms, and the possibility of some heavy rainfall as we head into Thursday. More on that in just a bit. First off, out there today, though, beautiful skies over Jeanerette this afternoon. Nice blue skies and just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. And the trees are greening up nicely. So is that pollen as well in spots, but not as bad as it was just a few weeks ago. So let's kick it upstairs and take a look at that next. A weather maker, an area of low pressure that's entering Arizona this afternoon, producing showers and some storms as we get into New Mexico and Texas. In fact, Storm Prediction Center is looking at the Texas Panhandle for the possibility of severe weather threat developing as soon as this evening. But it's going to take several days for this storm system to get here, and that's one of the keys. It's going to be a slower moving storm system, so the rain potential is going to be higher, and there looks to be some sort of severe weather threat for Thursday as well. Near term, though, fair to partly cloudy skies. Also clouds coming in from the Gulf of Mexico tonight, so we're going to see a general increase in cloud cover with east to southeast winds, so temperatures not quite as cool. We were in the mid-50s this morning, tonight closer to 60, and those clouds will be on the increase through tomorrow. But again, a few intervals of afternoon sun. Weather system ongoing across Texas tomorrow afternoon, getting a little bit more organized as we head into Wednesday as an area of low pressure. In fact, a tandem of low pressure systems develops across the Texas Hill Country up through Dallas Wednesday afternoon, and then the big action pushing into Louisiana as we head into Thursday morning and then into Thursday afternoon. And what we do notice is, especially if we look at the European model, timing is very similar. We see the showers and storms, a couple of signatures of some very intense thunderstorms and heavy rainfall. And watch what happens here. It shows a little bit of a signal, to me at least, of some back building of storms and at least a low-end severe weather threat. Storm Prediction Center hasn't outlined the area yet, but I bet you that comes in with their update tonight. That comes in after midnight tonight for at least a slight risk of severe storms across the area. And then we'll be concerned with some rainfall. Rain looks to end sometime Thursday evening, so no promises for Festival International Thursday evening, but after that, looking much better. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday looking absolutely outstanding for the weather and Festival International. So here's the European model, and what we're going to key in on, we're still 4 days out. Where are the areas of purple and red? Those are the 2 to 3 inch range. So a stripe of that going through Acadiana on the Euro, and the GFS model offering pretty much the same with the possibility of maybe even a little bit more rainfall. So we're going to say 1 to 3 possible with the storms as we head into Thursday, but we could see isolated amounts double that. So that's something that we're going to have to keep an eye on, because this storm system will be a slower moving storm system for sure. Overnight tonight, temperatures dropping down nicely into the upper 50s. We'll say 57 Ville Platte, Bunkie, 56 up toward Alexandria. Normal for this time of year, at least in Lafayette, is 60, and we'll be right near there first thing tomorrow morning, right along the I-10 corridor. A little bit milder to the west under a southeasterly breeze, a little bit longer, a little bit cooler as you go eastward along I-10, and upper 50s to near 60 in coastal parishes, with the exception of Cameron right by the water, closer to 70 degrees for tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, after that coolish start, we'll be right on target for afternoon highs, topping out upper 70s to near 80 once again. And then tomorrow night, dropping down, not quite as cool. We'll favor low to mid 60s for most of Acadiana. And then going into your Wednesday afternoon, upper 70s to lower 80s once again. Mostly cloudy skies. Might be a passing shower Wednesday during the day, but rain chance no higher than 20%. So overnight tonight, a pleasant evening for sure. Not as cool. Clouds increasing through tomorrow morning. We'll go 64 your low tonight. Very light east-southeast winds. Maybe a little light fog out there as well, depending on the cloud cover. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy and warm day. Few intervals of sunshine, but not as many as we saw today. But it'll be a nice day. 80 the projected high tomorrow. Rain chances staying nice and low. No more than 20% Wednesday. Again, strong storms on tap for Thursday. The possibility of a couple of inches of rain at the very least. So rain chances high Thursday. Hopefully it ends in time for Thursday evening, but no promises there. But we will guarantee at this point some very nice weather for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and going into this weekend, temperatures pushing into the mid-80s as they almost always do for the last weekend of April, which coincides with our beautiful Festival International.
That'll be so exciting. Thank you, Rob.